Fifth grade Excel lesson 124, determining the equation that represents a problem and the equation that solves it. This is pretty easy, but you know what? When you get to doing this on the tests, I can't tell you how many kids miss these on the test because they go too fast and they don't take the time to look at all the solutions, all the choices that they give you for the answer. So just be careful with that. If 3 times a number is 15, what equation can be written that will compute the number? To solve this problem, first write the equation that reflects the first part of the question. We will use the letter n to represent the unknown number. So 3 times a number equals 15. 3 times a number is 15. This and this are the same thing. How could this equation be written so that n is by itself on one side of the equal symbol? Subtraction is the inverse or the opposite of addition. So division is the inverse of multiplication. You guys probably already know that. Those are opposites of each other. Because division is the inverse of multiplication, the equation 3 times n equals 15 can be written this way using division. N is the same thing as 15 divided by 3. So therefore, n is equal to 5. Put the value back in the original equation to check your answer. I put the 5 back in where the n was. 3 times 5 equals 15. That makes perfect sense. All right, it says for each of these problems, select the correct equations. Number 1, if a number minus 8 is 18, what equation can be written to compute the number? A number minus 8 is 18. Does that look like number 1 right there? A number minus 8 equals 18?
That looks like plus. Oh,
yeah, that's probably not it. A number minus 8 equals 18. Does it look like I'm reading this when I say a number minus 8 equals 18?
No.
How about this one? A number minus 8 equals 18. Does it look like that one?
Yes.
Yeah. And is x. Now this is where you got to watch out because obviously this is the right answer on this one, but sometimes they're going to give you 2 right answers on the first part and only one of the endings is going to be correct. So make sure you read the ending as well. X is equal to 18 plus 8. If I add 18 plus 8, I get 26 minus 8 equals 18, right? Plug the number back in. So is that right? 26 minus 8 equals 18?
Yes.
Yep, so we can feel pretty good about picking number 3 as our answer. Okay, try number 2, pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, which one do you guys think it is? A number plus 9 is 14. You think it's number 1? Think it's number 2? A number plus 9 is 14. A number plus 9 is 14.
Ooh, I think it's
what do you think?
2. I think it's, yeah.
Okay, a number plus 9 is 14. That's the only one that makes sense with this. Number plus 9 is 14. Hopefully you picked that one. All right, go ahead and pause the video. Do 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. Next one says, number divided by 2 is 9. Number divided by 2 is 9. Number times 2 is 9. Number divided by 9 is 2.
I think it's number 1. I think it's
So number 1 is the only one that makes sense to match up with that. Number 4, if 34 added to another number is 64, what equation can be written to compute the number? 34 added to another number is 64. 34 added to another number is 64. Does that one make sense?
No.
34 plus another number is 64. No. 34 plus another number, yeah. That's the only one that makes sense.
Added to another number.
And I believe that's it. Thanks for watching.
Please, can I have it? Can I see it?
Mark, call the office.
That's a self-portrait there, Tyler.
Call the office.
Wow, that's such a small neck.
Look at all that hair growing on your shoulders. Okay. Hit the stop button.